Hi YouTube. So, I have the hiccups. I was going to make a live, but apparently I can't at this time, which is okay. These hiccups got me. I'm just felt called to hop onto YouTube and connect. The day after, 2 days after Christmas, and a little more than 30 hours since the solar eclipse and new moon in Capricorn. And it's been a lot. I've been home integrating. I'm sharing. Feeling that call to share. Share. That's what Spirit keeps saying. No matter what. Even if you have hiccups. Love you. Stay tuned. I will be on here a lot more. If you don't already follow me or are connected with me on social media, you can connect with me on Instagram at Noelani, Twitter the same, Snapchat the same, TikTok the same. And then Facebook, Erica Noelani, Yoga, Spirituality, and Wellness. I look forward to connecting with you. And yeah, please feel free to comment below and share a little bit about who you are, how you found my channel, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you more. Mahalo.